Pandemic, wildfires, airplane crashes, explosions, toilet paper panic buying, lockdowns and quarantines. This year 2020 has seen it all. On the contrary, digital transformation has marched on and companies have been compelled to get things done remotely whilst allowing employees to work from home. While we can't promise to solve everything, we'll take care of the technology part at Citrix. Welcome Citrix Cloud Services. The pandemic has revealed a new reality. The cloud is vital for keeping businesses running. From new remote workforces to virtual meetings, businesses have had to make critical adjustments to survive this unprecedented crisis, including adopting and using more cloud services. Citrix Cloud is a platform that hosts and administers Citrix services. Citrix Cloud takes over several components like License Server, Director, Studio, Delivery Controller, Smart Tool, Storefront, and provides many other services like Gateway Services, Endpoint Management, the amazing micro apps, Analytics, and much more. We'll take care of the management, upgrading, and high availability. With the help of Cloud Connector, you can connect to the Active Directory, the server and desktop VDAs, and other resources that are hosted on private clouds, on-premises, and public clouds like Azure, AWS, and Google, and alongside SaaS applications too. We can add available connections with NetScaler and SD-WAN to provide high availability. It allows you to create, manage, and deploy workspaces with apps and data to your end users from a single console. Let me quickly demo how simple it is to install and configure the Cloud Connector. Log into the Citrix Cloud, select the resource location, give it a relevant name, and save it. You can log in to the machine where you will install the Cloud Connector. Simply download it from the site and run. You can now configure it by logging in with your Citrix Cloud credentials, choosing the customer and the resource location you created a while ago, and hit install. You can now log back in to the Citrix Cloud and refresh the resource location. And there you have it. Let me now demo to you how you could connect to your virtual apps and desktop site, which could be on cloud or on premises, and also how to add web or SaaS applications through Citrix Cloud Gateway Services. In here, I click on Manage Gateway Services, and then I'm presented with the virtual apps and desktops, where I click on the Configure button. Now we can add the virtual apps and desktops on-premises site to the Citrix workspace. In the integrations portal, I'm going to click on Add the on-premises site. In here, click on Required Resource Location that has Cloud Connector installed. Enter the delivery controller name or the FQDN or the IP address. Simply click on Discover, and now enter the credentials. You can also connect with the gateway services by simply entering the gateway details. Voila, your site is added. Go into the service integration and enable it. As simple as it looks. Now take a look at how to add web or SaaS applications section. Click on the Add button. It will now show the exhaustive list of existing SaaS templates. You can simply choose any of the existing templates or create your own by simply adding simple details. To add apps to the Citrix workspace, you log into the Citrix Cloud once again. Click on the menu and then select Library. You will find a wide range of offerings and apps in here. Select the required app. Simply choose the domain and add the required user. As simple as that. The user can now log into Workspace and start using the app right away. You can also configure your workspace URL link, authentication methods, and other customizations in here. Now that you're done with all your configurations, the user can now enjoy his workspace, the preferred Citrix workspace. Like you can see here, the Citrix workspace not just allows you to access applications, files, and desktops, it delivers to you an instant feed of work integrated with micro apps with simple workflows and instantly actionable calls that are all configurable on the Citrix Cloud services. And all this using one credential across all your SaaS, mobile, and virtual applications. Don't just go by what we're telling you, have a look at what our customers say. In a world of complex IT, it's the simple things that makes life so much easy, like Citrix Cloud Services. It simplifies workspace design and delivery into one centrally managed cloud service. Finally, a fast, unified, and far simpler way to always keep multiple workspace services up to date, optimally configured, integrated, and deployed where you want. Users can connect to their workspaces from any device they choose, even as infrastructure and cloud vendors change, user locations move, or as businesses grow. Citrix Cloud makes design and deployment of workspaces simple, all while operating at a global scale. A fast, simple, and unified approach to creating great workspaces.